You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this Spanish surname in Spanish and in South America, also in English. Spanish from Spain, Garcia, with C pronounced like TH, Garcia. Other Spanish-speaking countries, Garcia, with the C pronounced like an S. In English, it's generally pronounced either Garcia, with a stress on the Ga syllable, the first syllable, or the American pronunciation is more commonly as Garcia. So, 4 different pronunciations: Garcia, 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 or Garcia. How do you pronounce it yourself, and where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.